In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money as a creator using ConvertKit. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, leveraging ConvertKit can open up new revenue streams for you. Let's dive into the process step by step so everything is clear and easy to follow. To kick things off, you'll want to navigate over to ConvertKit and log into your account. Now, if you haven't signed up just yet, you'll need to take care of that first. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll quickly notice the interface is user-friendly and specifically designed with creators like yourself in mind. Over on the left-hand menu, you'll see an option labeled Earn. Go ahead and click on that. This is the section where you'll choose how you want to offer your content to your audience for a fee. You got a few choices here. Perhaps you're ready to sell individual products like ebooks or guides, or maybe you've got other digital files prepped for sale. If you produce regular content, consider offering a paid newsletter subscription. This could be a more sustainable route to create steady revenue over time. Additionally, there's the tip jar option, which allows your fans to show their support whenever they feel like it. After making your choice, the next move is to click on New Product. This is a particularly exciting stage because you'll give your product its official name. It's important to come up with a catchy and accurate name that reflects what your audience will be getting. Once you've settled on a name, it's time to set a price. Think about pricing strategies that appeal to your audience while also reflecting the value of what you're offering. Finally, you will need to craft a compelling description of your product. It should clearly articulate what buyers can expect and highlight any special benefits or features. If you're venturing into selling a digital product such as a PDF or an online course, you'll have the chance to upload these files right here. Ensure these materials are well polished and ready to be delivered to your eager buyers. For those opting for a newsletter subscription, make sure to set it up as a recurring product, offering you a steady flow of income. Once you're done with the setup, ConvertKit creates a checkout page link for you automatically. This is a crucial step as it's the gateway for your audience to purchase what you're offering. Be sure to share this link far and wide. Incorporate it into your emails, blog posts, or any social media platforms where you engage with your audience. And here's the best part. When someone completes a purchase, the funds are promptly deposited into your ConvertKit Commerce account. From there, you have the flexibility to transfer your earnings directly to your bank or PayPal account. That's it. With these steps, you've established a streamlined approach to monetizing your creative pursuits. Remember, building a business takes time, so remain patient and be strategic about promoting and sharing your content. Thank you for tuning in. I hope this guide empowers you on your journey as a creator using ConvertKit.